In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through connecting Calendly with Brevo, so you can automatically sync your scheduling data with your email marketing platform. Let's get started. First, head over to your Zapier dashboard and click on the Create button. Then choose Zaps from the menu to start building your automation. You'll see the editor open up. Go ahead and click on the Trigger button to set up what will start this automation. In the search box that appears, type in Calendly and select it as your trigger app. This is what will kick off the workflow. You'll need to pick which Calendly event should trigger this automation, like when an invitee schedules or cancels a meeting. Connect your Calendly account by signing in, then hit Continue to move forward with the setup. Here, choose your webhook subscription scope to specify which events you want to monitor, then click Continue. Let's make sure everything's working properly by clicking Test Trigger to pull in sample data from Calendly. Once the test completes successfully, go ahead and select Continue to move on to the action step. Now we'll set up what happens when the trigger fires. Search for Brevo in the Action App field and select it. Remember, Sendinblue recently rebranded to Brevo. Pick the action you want Brevo to perform, such as creating or updating a contact when someone books a meeting. Time to connect your Brevo account. Click the Sign In button to authenticate. You'll be directed to get your API key. Click on the link to the SMTP and API page to grab it. Once you're on the Brevo settings page, navigate to the API keys section. Click the link that says, "Click here to start generating a new API key for this integration." Give your API key a descriptive name so you'll recognize it later. Then click Generate. Your new API key will appear on screen. Click the copy icon to grab it so you can paste it back in Zapier. Head back to the Zapier tab, paste your API key into the field, and click Yes, Continue to Brevo to complete the connection. With your Brevo account now connected, click Continue to configure what data you want to send over. Fill out the required fields here, mapping information from Calendly to the corresponding fields in Brevo. You can customize this however you need for your workflow. Before we go live, click Test Step to make sure the data flows correctly from Calendly to Brevo. Everything looks good. Click Publish to activate your integration and start automatically syncing your Calendly appointments with Brevo. Your integration is now live. Every time someone schedules through Calendly, their information will automatically flow into Brevo, streamlining your workflow and saving you valuable time. That's all there is to it. You've successfully connected Calendly with Brevo, and your automation is up and running. Feel free to replay this walkthrough anytime you need a refresher.